Well, it's cleanup day here this spring. We got the Solera out. It's got no brakes apparently and no steering apparently. We got Steven visiting. We got our cobalt.
It's fucking mint.
Yeah. Apparently you don't need any of these sensors.
It doesn't like it.
No, it definitely doesn't like life at all. I don't even think it does. It overheating?
I don't know, there's no temp gauge.
What?
No.
I scrapped the two-door earlier this week, and now we're trying to pull out this one and scrap this one.
More slack?
I do more, need more slack. We're hooking to the child safety seats on this, so. You know what, the cobalt's going to scrap anyway. I was gonna enduro it, but all the brakes are done, and I have no idea if this thing even runs right. I don't think it ever will. And with the new Ontario legislation that they put out, see if we can find this here. All right, it looks like we got that hooked up. Hold on. Okay, give her a good old-fashioned tug. Oh, there's dirt in my eye.
What?
I think you ripped out the back of the car again. Back her up, try again. With the new Ontario legislation, there's no motorsports allowed as of right now for the next 28 days. So that kind of puts a big halt on everything. I'll throw up the post here shortly. Keep coming back, you're doing good, keep coming. All right, we need to find somewhere better to hook this thing to. How about this? Okay, give that a tug. Nope, that wasn't something good to hook to. Let's try this again. Back her up. Oh, I think she might have been unhappy. Did you lose a cylinder?
I think so.
What just happened to you? Whatever. We'll try a couple more times. Is there a heat gauge on this thing yet?
No!
Service airbag. That's always a good one. Beep. Alright. So this cobalt might not last us too long. Alright, try that one, Steven. Something half decently sturdy. Man, that cobalt throws dirt. Let's see if this thing's in park. Maybe that might help. Oh yeah, it's definitely in park. Yeah, but there's no steering, so. Yeah, there's no steering column in this one. Pardon? Hand in hand together. I think there's an AA coin in this. AA coin. What is this? Is that an AA coin?
Oh my god. I think so.
I don't know. I don't know my Alcoholics Anonymous.
Or maybe it's either Alcoholics Anonymous or something to do with religion.
I think it has to do with religion. All right, now she's in neutral. Let's try this again. I'm gonna put that in my pocket and try to put it in a vending machine. She's coming out. She's going to scrap because it's so rotted and no demolition derbies now for 2 years. I don't think that made it any better. Hold it! It's gonna hit my shed, you dummy! think this thing's overheating. We should take a look at it. That doesn't smell like overheating. It's on fire, the van.
I think that fan's hit.
Oh God.
Let all the magic smoke out.
Oh my God, that smells horrible.
Yeah.
Well, at least it's not on fire yet. Let's keep going about our businesses, but we'll keep an eye on this. So you don't want to hit the shed, you want to go that way. That's it, keep coming, you got lots of space, keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming. Oh, there we go, yep, you're right there. Now turn it that way. That's it, turn it that way. Maybe back up and do that once again. So story on this car was I was actually going to the scrapyard and I seen a guy on the side of the road. His truck broke down and he had this car on his trailer to go to scrap. So I bought it for him right there on the side of the road.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Okay, so give her a little bit of ketchup.
A little bit or a lot?
Alright, fuck it, give her the whole bottle of ketchup. Oh, the whole bottle of ketchup. You hit the minivan!
What?
You hit the van!
The van's a derby car, right?
No, it's a derby van! Look at my van! Look at the cobalt.
You got insurance? What's your insurance?
Fuck no! My
Well, now I
God.
can tow it that way. We're mint. It come out
Where's all
mint.
that water coming from?
The trunk.
Okay, so now we're gonna pull it that way. This little cobalt's trying so hard. I wish I could steer this to try to help him out, but he's on his own.
Good?
Yeah, you're looking good. Yeah. Holy Mackinac! Oh my God!
Oh no!
Oh no! Where's
What
my?
happened?
Oh, the battery's gonna be easy to get out now.
Huh?
Rip the whole back of the car.
Cobalt.
Well, it's almost out. We've done a little bit of damage assessment on this, and she's dinked. She's dinked good. So,
They don't make them like they used to.
no, this is definitely not no Camry. But,
It bent the frame.
it ripped the frame off.
Ripped that frame off and it bent this one right in.
The frame is ripped all the way back. So we just hooked to the battery now, right?
I think so.
Yeah, just right to the battery. Anyway, hook up. Let's see what I can find to hook up to this
I
time.
am in a Cobalt. I'm not too smart.
Yeah. You bought a cobalt?
No. Buddy. I can say stuff about Cobalts. It's not good for the internet.
So just don't scratch my Solera, please. That's a collector's car. What the heck? Even give her the ketchup. Oh, the Cobalt actually did better that time. It ripped part of the Camry off.
Oh!
You want the front sub horn? No, me neither. Oh, bud! Give her the gooses. Hold the gooses. Now we can put the Solera away. We got enough space.
I unhooked you, Johnny.
Oh. Well, we got one of the Camrys that doesn't run moved. That's the next one I want moved, but we probably will not be doing that one today. Just for the fact of this car is kind of dinked now. And we have this one in our way, but it's got to go to scrap. It's garbage. Like, if you guys are wondering why I'm scrapping this, I bought it, I never ran it, I used it for parts. There's no rockers, the frame's rotted, the rear frame's rotted, all the suspension's rotted. And believe it or not, this is the most base model Toyota Camry I've ever seen in my life. Factory no AC and wind-up windows. I've never had another Camry with wind-up windows. So, super base model. It had the antenna up here. It's just garbage. But yeah, we're going to probably load the cobalt up on the trailer now. Like, as you guys can see, there's the part of the frame that we ripped off. It's also rusty in there. And
Yeah, it wouldn't have done good anyway.
no, I wouldn't have done good.
With the new rules, the old bodies are actually less desirable now because you're not allowed to change rebars.
Exactly. So, rule changes have caused this thing to pretty much be outdated, plus the amount of rust. But I paid $300 for it. I got the catalytic converter off of it. I used it for parts for 3 years. It's time to go in, scraps high. We'll be saving the spindles, the brakes, the axles, all that fun stuff. If the rear sub's okay, we'll be saving that. But there's, like, this thing's super rotted. Off to scrap. But we got to scrap the cobalt too. And now we got all this space. We could probably try to find something else to jam in there.
Show them how hot this motor is.
It's not the motors. Oh. The valve cover is steaming. That's definitely gross, but it's also kind of funny. She's pretty warm.
If anyone watches neutral drop, that's not gross.
So yeah, one Solara moved. We'll be getting another one in here shortly. But this here was a manual Solara I bought, and half the parts came out from Earl for the winter. So she's off to be our parts car. If not, she'll probably have the motor transmission pulled and a 4-cylinder dropped into it one day. It's pretty clean, but a little bit of yard moving around. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop.